All right, so you're gonna need a text editor, and you might already have a favorite text editor. Use that, great. You don't need to worry about this, skip this step. If you don't have one you love, check this out. I love Sublime Text, and I would recommend using that for this tutorial just because I'm gonna be using it. You can download it for free and then you can upgrade it later, but there's a lot of really neat plugins that you can use with Sublime Text, and I've just grown to love the layout and how everything works. So you don't need to use this. Again, use your favorite, but I really love using it. And if you like some of the stuff you're going to be seeing me do, just various shortcuts and stuff, I got from this awesome course by a guy named Wes Boss. He's got all these amazing development courses, and he has a Sublime Text book, Sublime Text Power User. It's at sublimetextbook.com, and it's absolutely worth the money, and it will save you time. It's sped up my development time threefold easily. And another text editor that I've been hearing a lot of great things about is called Visual Studio Code. I actually heard about it from Wes Boss. He made the switch from Sublime Text to this. It's an open source text editor. It's free to download. I haven't gotten to try it yet, but might be worth checking it out, and I'd love to hear what you think if you do. Now, if you are going to use the Sublime Text Editor, you're going to need to install a package because we're going to need some syntax highlighting for this JSX and for Babel. So if you come down in the corner here, notice that it says JavaScript Babel. Well, we need to install a package that allows us to select Babel JavaScript highlighting. So in order to install that package, you're just going to type Command-Shift-P, and then you'll go to Package Control, Install Package. So P, and then Package Control, Install Package, and then search for Babel. And because I've already got it installed, it's not showing up here, but you'll just want to do that. On other text editors, you're also going to want to make sure to change that syntax highlighting for these block.js files. Anything that uses React and JSX, we're going to need to use the JavaScript Babel syntax highlighting. And once it's installed, you can come up to the Sublime Text Preferences, Package Settings, and then you should see Babel set in there. In the next step, we're going to be putting together all these different pieces that we've got Node, we've got a text editor, we've got MAMP, we got the command line ready. So now it's going to be in the next step where it's time to install WordPress. So I will see you there.